So you want to know how much money I make on YouTube in 2018 with 25,000 subscribers, right? You want to know. You want to know the truth. You want to see the real analytics. Well, I'm going to show you the real analytics, show you how much money I actually make on YouTube, how many views, and all of that fun stuff in this video. So stay tuned. All right. So I've made this video before and people enjoyed it. People were actually surprised at the results, and I'm gonna kind of talk about, gonna look at my YouTube, see, you know, how I'm making money, what kind of money I'm making, what videos are the most watched, and then kind of just talk about YouTubing in general, making money on YouTube. What's interesting is, so I have over 25,000 subscribers, about 25,200 right now. This is a little bit lagging, but what's interesting is I've lost almost 5,000 subscribers. So those 5,000 people didn't unsubscribe, I would have had over 30,000 subscribers, which is interesting. This spike here was, I guess, after I had a giveaway. Everybody unsubscribed after I gave away what they were trying to win, so they were over it. And, you know, it's interesting to see how it kind of works. I'll have a day where I gain 100 or 200 subscribers, and then I'll lose 20 or 30 subscribers. So I'm not really sure who is unsubscribing. It's kind of a weird thing. I don't know how that works. I guess people, maybe they get upset, they don't like the notifications, or they're tired of seeing my videos. I don't know really how that works, why they unsubscribe, but they unsubscribe for a reason. So what's interesting as well, a lot of the top commented videos are the videos that I lose on. So people, for some reason, love to comment when I lose, and they don't comment when I win. So like today, 284 comments, 5.5 thousand views on the video of me losing $2,000. And then today, 464 views, 41 comments, and only 47 likes. So maybe people just want to see me lose. Maybe if I just make videos of me losing, I'll gain more subscribers and I'll make more money on YouTube. But if I was making $2,000 a day with YouTube, then it might be worth it for me to lose $2,000. It is interesting to see that more people end up liking and talking and interacting with the videos of me losing than videos of me actually making money. All right, so looking at my revenue for May, this is actually the last 28 days. Let's do the whole month here. Boom, $2,181. Not bad for making videos about day trading. You can see I've actually had some really nice spikes recently. This day had $125, this day $129, yesterday $113. So any day that I make over $100 on YouTube is a pretty good day. So my videos don't get like amazing amount of views. It's not like, oh, I'm getting millions of views. You know, I'm getting maybe on average getting 3,000 to 4,000 views per video, you know, the top videos that I make. But you can see the videos that really made the most money for me this month were all videos of me losing. What is this? Why do you guys want to watch me lose so much? It's interesting, very interesting. Look at this. Day trading live, I'm an idiot, I made $135. Day trading massive loss, made a $96. Day trading my biggest loss, $82. Day trading lost $2,000, $71 in one day. Come on, guys. What is this? Why do people want to see me lose? But really, you can see the pattern. I mean, the top videos aren't even really about day trading. I mean, maybe, you know, the top 3 videos aren't even about day trading. There's a review about SureTrader, and then cryptocurrency to cryptocurrency, which is pretty wild to see. Now let's look at the overview and kind of just how many views we've had. We've had 9 million minutes of watch time, which is, I feel like that's pretty amazing. Got over 2.3 million views, and my average view duration is around 353, which is pretty, I think that's okay. Maybe it's not that good actually, but I think it's okay. People are watching about 40% of my videos, which is not that good. So we need to do better. I need people to watch my videos longer. I need them to watch it. I think 50 to 60% is like, that's better. You can see some of my top grossing videos. Definitely, you know, GDAX, this video has the most frustrating. What's most frustrating really is that I'll have a good day, I'll make money, the market's good, whatever, have a good video, make $400 or $500 like today. Nobody really interacts with the video, and then nobody really watches it because YouTube will promote videos that get more interaction. So the more interaction the video is getting, the more people are seeing it on their feeds and stuff like that. So a day like today where I don't make that much money, or I make $400, $500, I don't lose money, it's a good day. A lot of people don't watch those videos. So the first time someone might watch my videos is the day where I lose money. So that's a little frustrating, because these people who have never watched my videos before, the first time they actually watch my videos is a bad day, or I have a bad day like yesterday. It's the first time they watch and they're like, what is this guy doing? He's an idiot. Why is he trading like this? So it's interesting to see really how people watch the videos, where they comment the most, where they talk about the most, and really just kind of looking at what videos make the most money and what videos don't. So obviously, videos of me losing money are the most profitable videos right now, but it doesn't really work out because I'm losing money. But the video is called Day Trading Live, I'm an Idiot. This video got over 24,000 views. So it's great to know that 24,000 people out there now think that I'm an idiot because they watched this video. And I'm sure that people literally only watched this video one time and now they never came back. So that's kind of the hard thing with YouTube, is you might make a video that appeals to one person and then somebody else get turned off, or they don't like it, or they don't like how you talk, or whatever it is, something you say. So you're always like on a fine line between, you know, what to say, what don't to say. Can you push it too far to the left? Can you go too far to the right? And you really just have to walk down this line. So you want to appeal to people out there who are watching your videos and are coming back, you know, continuously. But you don't want to turn people off who might be watching for the first time. So it's hard. So you really got to be right there in the middle. And, you know, I'm not really a kind of person who lives in the middle. I'm normally, you know, to one side. And there's a lot of people out there that hate me because of that. But I think there's also proof that it's working, because 25,000 people have subscribed, making $10 back in 2017 to now. I mean, if I make $30, I'm like, man, that's not a good day. So normally on the weekends, we'll get, you know, a pullback. On the weekends, people don't really watch, or they really don't care to watch the videos that I make on the weekends. My most profitable videos are going to be in the middle of the week, because what happens is I'll make a video on Monday and then Tuesday, and it kind of snowballs. Or you get like Thursday, you know, $100 there, because you'll get all those views kind of trickling in, and kind of, you know, compounds. My video with the most views is a cruise ship tour. I made a video of a cruise ship that we went on, and it got 55,000 views. The second most watched video is the GDAX video. The third is the Digibyte video. And what's interesting is 37,000 views on a video of my old Audi A7 exhaust. And then the F-150 got 33,000 views for the F-150 exhaust. So, oh, that's funny. That's interesting. But also that's interesting. But obviously, you know, for like this video of the exhaust from my A7, I don't think I really made any money on this. Let's look at this. How much money did I make? $57. Not bad, really, for a video that I made of my exhaust on my car. So I'm not mad about that. And obviously, you know, this thing's been around since April 2017. It's just been making money. You know, if it makes 50 cents, 30 cents, whatever, it's just making money every once in a while. I have a couple little spikes in it, but overall, I don't have to do anything with it. It's just going to be always making money for me, as long as people keep watching. So it's interesting really to see these types of videos that kind of just trickle along. And, you know, over time, $57 for a video of my car exhaust isn't so bad. Isn't so bad at all. So there it is. I really just kind of wanted to dive into the analytics of my YouTube channel, talking about the revenue, talking about what videos people watch the most, and kind of the patterns that I'm seeing, and hopefully kind of figuring out, you know, what to do in the future, what I need to work on, what I could do to increase the viewership, and really just give a better product. Because at the end of the day, you guys are coming back and watching these videos, and you're demanding, you're wanting quality content. People want to see good videos. They want to see high production value. They want to see, you know, entertaining videos. And that's really kind of what I'm working on. It's what I want to do better, and kind of figure out how to make these videos better for you guys to enjoy. And that's really what it's all about. At the end of the day, growing the YouTube channel, making some money, and having some fun. And hopefully you guys enjoy all the hard work and the time, the effort that I put into these videos. And big thanks to everyone out there who has subscribed, everyone who's followed along this long. It's been an amazing ride, and I'll talk to you guys later on.